day 12
Yeah.
from the quarantine, and we're just gonna do a little walk. I've been inside working all day, and we're just gonna do a little walk up here. And I just went up here earlier and ordered a little bit of barbecue, so we're gonna go and get that. Streets are dark, 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 dark. No street lights for some reason. I don't know. So we'll get up there. All right, so I've been working a little bit all day today, and we're just getting out, get some food. There's still inside the barangay here, there's still some street vendors that are here and cooking, grilling, and our stuff. Hopefully it should be done by now. I think that's our stuff. I think still over here, right? All right, some pork, some chicken feet, hot dog or two, and then we'll go from there. There is still some
Sari store open.
some sorry stores open. And,
But later on they will close.
what? Yeah, later on they will close. I think 8 o'clock.
Yeah.
So inside the barangay you can go out, but they want you in as soon as possible.
Yeah.
And when we're done here, we're gonna walk down to another place and get some food supplies for tomorrow. So that's a good thing. Inside here, we can do some shopping inside here. All right, things are getting done. This is the store we always go to and do most of our shopping. They have a pretty good assortment, canned food and other things. So we go there and that's where we get it. And here is another little sorry store. They are open as well. And we're gonna go down the street here. Sorry guys, it's really dark,
Really dark.
but we're gonna try to get us some food supply for tomorrow for lunch. And there's a couple of 3 small little markets here that they have what you need, you know, to survive. And so far, so good as far as them being able to keep our barangay open and supplied in these stores with fresh vegetables, potatoes, and necessities, and they've done a pretty good job in doing so. So we are going to go down here and get it right across the street here on the left. This is a store. They're pretty well supplied as well. We go here sometimes and get our breads and other things. And we're going to go over here and see what you got. There's some people here shopping. And and we're just gonna try to get our needs here.
Bye.
You're doing good? You guys not cooking anymore?
No, my
Quit?
Hello, what is yours?
Some pork. Half kilo.
Okay. How maro? Tang bulan na dua. Sa pulo niya kalong bukas. Thank you po. One cup. Would you like 4 chops?
Ilang malating mga kumanya lang.
Yung asliang po. Ikaw niya, Lotte. Kasi pa yata. O lang yung era makamasyas.
Ako pag-ganda yung ilo. Saging ba meron ka? Muslim? There is no banana. Bawang.
Nag-shutdown ka pa. Ganun. Tapos, wala kami katambahay kami lang sa bahay. This one? Para ba this one? It's okay?
That one is okay.
It's so hard times today.
Yeah. How is it going? Is it okay for you to find supply and all that? Or is it hard to restock? Do you go to the market every morning?
Yes, but now it's hard to find supply now. Little quite plenty like noodles, the basic one for every day
Yeah.
because of lockdown.
Yeah. Well, the supply chain
That's why people,
but I saw now, Angela's mayor,
yes,
he told the barangays no more IDs. You have to let people out. If they need to go and shop and do that, and not just one person, anybody in the family can go and shop, as long as they have a legit reason.
the mayor of Angeles said
Yeah.
that.
Yeah. They're taking away the.
But I know Angeles is locked down now.
Yeah. They have the same thing, but they took away this because right now, you know, me and her, right? You can all go outside and buy, but I can't. I have my ID. I can go to the store, you know, SNR.
Yes.
But she's not allowed to go into the store unless she has the ID. In Angeles now, they took away that. So people, anybody in the family, the wife or the husband can go. So they loosen up this thing, and I think you know when you lock people in for a month, we're looking at a month or 2 months having people locked up. A lot of people get problems. I mean, even mental problems.
Yes.
Suicidal rate is going to skyrocket.
Yes, that's true. I agree.
So they need to be careful. But it's the same thing in the U.S. now. They're talking about quarantine New York. But we don't need to be worried though. It's fine, you know. Keep the distance. Wash your hands open.
Yes.
Soap, water, 20 seconds minimum.
I always wash my hands and use alcohol.
Yeah. Now you can't find alcohol. We've been looking.
After the market, I'm only here. There. We will not go outside. Go to market so that people can have food.
Yeah. All right. We're gonna go home and cook.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Thank you.
Hi.
All right. Let's go home. Yeah.
care. Keep safe.
We will. You too. Yeah, we don't need to record anymore, right?
It's 8 minutes.
It's fine. All right, everybody. That was a little evening walk here. Having the therapy going on here. You got to get out once in a while. So we had to go out, and we got a little bit of supply here. So let me show you.
Uy, I'm not the supply.
You're not the supply?
No.
All right. So here we go. So they have, so they still have, you know, a little supply, fresh, you know, fruit, tomatoes. These are a little green, a little too green for my taste. Cucumbers are fresh, hard. Nice yellow onions, they're pretty good. And we also bought a little pork, and we also bought the barbecue here. And we're gonna munch on that tonight. And here, guys, we have, just wanna, and here, guys, this is actually my green room that I use for my sit-down videos and stuff. And this is how it looks like. Lights, we got some umbrellas in the back. I don't have the lights on right now, but well, we got some umbrellas, and this is how I do it when I sit here and talk to you and talk to some other people. All right, so we are going to wrap this one up, and thank you for watching, and God bless. Wait, don't click that button unless, of course, you hit the subscribe button. And then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again at the next video.